Hey tribe, Dawna here from Transformational Healing. Our next Sabbat in the Wheel of the Year is approaching on February 2nd. Many holidays will be celebrated around the world. Even Valentine's Day is tied into the history of this holiday. But today we'll focus on Imbolc, often called Candlemas, the Feast of Candles. I will not focus on the Catholic version of Candlemas, but there is a lot of information that is available online for that part. The days are lengthening as we are getting closer and closer to spring, but we are still in the midst of winter. Our ancestors may have been a little bit more aware of the changes than we are today, or a little more desperate when they looked at the waning food stores and had hopes of what food spring would bring. But this is definitely a time to celebrate the first stirrings of new life. Imbolc, or Imbolg, to the Celts means in the belly. It refers to the fact that the sheep in their herds were pregnant, but it is also a reflection that Mother Earth will soon burst forth with new life. The Celts also have another name for this holiday, O'Milk, or Ooze milk, ewe's milk, as the milk of the herd was an important part to nourishment for their families, especially at the tail end of winter, when their food storage was running low. Overall, this is a time of hope. The sun is returning, the cycle of life and the seasons is continuing, and winter will end. Our American holiday of Groundhog Day is how we recognize this season today. There is a little bit of irony in that right now, as many of us have felt that we have had Groundhog Day, like the movie, every day since last year because of the pandemic. But there is hope, and we have all learned many new things during this time. Many of us honor Bridget, or Brigid, or Breed, the triple goddess of poetry and healing and smithcraft at this time. She is also the lady of the sacred flame, hence Candlemas, and of the healing waters. We clean and cleanse and bless our homes. It is time to let go of the staleness and the sickness of winter, and to welcome in the new energies of the growing warmth of the sun and all those healing energies too. It is now that we start planting all of those seeds that we have been gathering and nurturing, and allow us to have time for growth in our life. My Candlemas and Imbolc incense is actually dedicated to Bridget. It is an amazing blend of herbs and resins that just warms you up from the inside, brings in that little bit of summer, but it makes you want to clean house. I cannot burn it without wanting to clean house. And if you are looking for some yummy ideas to make for your food for your celebrations, I will include some links in tomorrow's tribe email. You're not on the tribe email list? Why not? You can join by going to transformationalhealingbydawna.com/tribe. This will also give you a 20% off coupon that is good for anything in the shop. Down below, I will also link to my article on the herbs and oils that are typically used at Imbolc during this time. Next week, we will talk about love. I can't wait to see you again. Many blessings.